Hello guys, I'm Cheriyan. Let us do the maxima minima problems again. Find the dimension of the rectangle. Find the dimension of the rectangle. We need to find the length and breadth with a perimeter 100 meter, with perimeter 100 meters, whose area is as large as possible, whose area is as large as possible. Okay, find the dimension of a rectangle with perimeter 100 meter. This is the rectangle. Length, this one is breadth. Okay, find dimension of the rectangle with perimeter. Perimeter, what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter equals, what is that? This is also L, this is also B, right? So B plus L plus B plus L, that is perimeter. B plus B, 2B. L plus L, 2L. So 2L plus 2B, okay, that is the perimeter. Perimeter is given. Perimeter with perimeter 100 meter is equal to 100. Okay, 2L plus 2B equals 100. That is given. Whose area is as large as possible. Okay, area is equal to what? Length into breadth. Area is length into breadth. Okay, LB. So how many variables are here? 1, 2, 3. So we don't need, we need to substitute L, or we need to substitute B. I think L or B, whatever you like, you can. So I'm going to take 2L. What is that? From here, 2L plus 2B equals 100. So 2L equals what? Minus 2B on both sides. So you get equals 100 minus 2B. L is equal to what? 100 minus 2B divided by 2. Right? So 100 divided by 2 is what? 50. Minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. So B. Or you can take out 2 as a common factor. 50 plus minus B divided by 2. 2 cancel. So 50 minus B. L is equal to 50 minus B. L equals 50 minus B. So you need to substitute this value here. A equals 50 minus B times B. Okay. Distribute. Just open the bracket. A is equal to 50B minus B square. Okay. From here, we need to find the area. When the area is maximum, then find the length and breadth. That is the question. So dA by dB, derivative of area with respect to B, equals, what is the derivative of 50B? 50 is a constant. Derivative of B is dB by dB. dB by dB or 1, right? dB by dB means 1. Derivative of x is 1. Why? Why derivative of x is 1? Because with respect to x, dx by dx is 1. That is why derivative of x is 1. Here derivative of b is 1, dB by dB. Minus, what is the derivative of b square? 2b into dB by dB by chain rule. dB by dB is 1. We don't need to write that. At the turning point, dA by dB equals 0. Right? Then 50 minus 2b equals 0 plus 2b on both sides. So this one cancel. 2b equals 50. B equals 25. So we get the width of the rectangle or breadth of the rectangle. 25. What is the y coordinate? Y coordinate is A here. What is the area? When breadth is 25, what is the area? 25 times 50 is 1250 minus 25 square, 625. So 625 plus, okay, what do you get? 1250 minus 625 is 625. 625. So this is the turning point. We need to show that this turning point is the maximum point. Okay, or 625 is the maximum value, maximum area. Right? This is area. This is area, this is breadth. Okay. So how can you show that this is the maximum value? Find the second derivative. D square A by db square equals what? Minus 2. Derivative of 50 is 0. Minus 2b. Derivative of minus 2b is minus 2. We need to know only this, negative or positive. So here d square A by db square is a negative value. So this one is the maximum value. So what is the breadth? 25 is the breadth. Then what is the length? 50 minus 25. That is 25. Breadth is 25. Length is also 25. What does it mean? It means the largest area should be a square. Equal length and breadth are same. 25, 25, 25, 25. 25 times 25. 625 is the maximum area. You take any other value, 35, and what is this? 15, right? Then only 100. Perimeter is 100. It should be 100. Perimeter should be 100. 35 times 15 is what? 35 times 15 should be less than 625. 5, 2, 15, 17, 5, 3, see 7, 2, remainder 1, 4, 5. 5 is 27. So that this value is less than 625. So this is the correct value. Okay, I just take an example. Now you can take another like 40 and 10. 40 and 10. 40 times 10 is 400. 400 is also less than 625. Okay, next one. Find the dimension. Next one. Find the dimension of the rectangle. With the area here, area is given. With area 1000 meters square. 1000 meter square. Whose perimeter is as small as possible. Okay, that is the question. So find the dimension of the rectangle. The same question but different. See, here area is given. Before it was perimeter was given, right? So here area. What is length, breadth? What is area? Area equals length into breadth. Equals what is given? Area is given. 1000. LB equals 1000. L is equal to what? 1000 divided by B. Okay, that is the condition. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is, last time I told you, see 12 plus 2b. 2b or 2b plus 12 or 12 plus 2b, both are same. So here how many variables? Perimeter, breadth, length, 3 variables. You need to substitute any of these, B or L. I already found L is equal to 1000 divided by B. Just substitute there. P is equal to 2B plus 2 into L is 1000 divided by B. Okay, so P equals 2B plus 2000 divided by B. Okay, then what is the next step? We need to show that the P value is minimum when the area is 1000 meters square. So how can you find it? First find the dP by dB equals, what is the derivative of 2B? 2. What is the derivative of 1 by B? 2000 is a constant. 2000 into 1 by B. 1 by B we can write B raised to minus 1. What is the derivative of B raised to minus 1? That is the question. 2 plus, what is the derivative of minus B raised to minus 1? Minus 1. What is the derivative of x raised to n? N x raised to n minus, that is the formula. Okay, here minus 1 B raised to minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 1 into 2000 is minus 2000. B raised to minus 1 is what? Minus 2. So minus 2000 into B raised to minus 2. That is 2 minus 2000 divided by B square. B raised to minus 2 is B square. 1 by B square. Okay. At the turning point, dP by dB equals 0. At the turning point, dP by dB equals 0. So what is that? 2 minus 2000 divided by B square equals 0. That is 2000 divided by B square equals 2. So B square equals 1000. Okay, what is B? B square equals 1000. What is B? B is, see, how many square root of 1000? 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10. See, if you have, there are two tens inside, if there are two tens inside the square root, you can take out 1. So this one cancel out and 10 outside, come outside. Okay, then square root of 110 is inside the square root. 10 root 10 is B. So the turning point is 10 root 10. What is perimeter? Perimeter, you need to substitute 10 root 10 here. Perimeter equals 2 into 10 root 10. 10 root 10. Yeah, then plus 2000 divided by 10 root 10. Cancel out. This is 20 root 10. 20 root 10 plus 200 by root 10, right? Now rationalize the denominator. How can you rationalize the denominator? Multiplying root 10 on both sides, numerator and denominator. So root 10 times root 10 is 10. 10 you can cancel out 1 0. Okay, so 20 root 10. 20 root 10 plus 20 root 10 is 40 root 10. That is the perimeter. We need to show that 40 root 10 is the minimum value. How can you show that? So find the second derivative from here. Where is dP by? Okay, from here you need to find the second derivative. You need to show that d square p by dB square is a positive value. Okay, if d square p by dB square is a positive value, if positive, then the y coordinate is minimum. Y coordinate means this one is minimum. This one is minimum. Okay, so d square p by dB square equals, see here derivative of 2 is 0. What is the derivative of minus 2000 divided by b square? I am going to write b raised to minus 2. Okay, derivative of b raised to minus 2 is what? Minus into minus plus. 2 into 2000 is 4000. b raised to minus 3. That is 4000 divided by b cube. 4000 divided by b cube. No, we know that this is a positive value because 4000 is positive. B is always positive. B is the length. So it's always positive. So 4000 divided by b cube is a positive value. Therefore 40 root 10 is the minimum value. Okay? 40. What is the dimension, right? Find the dimension. What is the length? Length is, what is the relation between length and breadth? See, L is equal to 1000 divided by B. 1000 divided by B is what? 10 root 10. This is L, okay? See, 1 you can cancel out, 1, 0 you can cancel out. Then rationalize the denominator root 10, multiply root 10, root 10. So root 10 times root 10 is 10. You can cancel out 1, 0. 10 root 10. Length is also 10 root 10. Length is 10 root 10. What does it mean? It means the minimum area. Then at that time, what is the length and breadth? Length and breadth are the same. So it means it's a square. Okay? The rectangle is a square when the area is given, and at that time the perimeter should be a minimum value. Okay? Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.